Hello, folks. Well, today the iconic cement plant in Sibley, Iowa has been demolished. Many of you know of it, but many may never have seen some of the pictures that you're going to see in this video. My interest came when my wife Ilea got in touch with our mayor, Jerry Johnson, after hearing it was going to be demolished. Since her dad, Ike Adrian, Mandel Adrian, Ike Alea and her brother, and even her grandfather worked there. In fact, this little house that you see, it's the office, is the first house that Ilea's parents, Ike and Louise, lived in right beside the plant. She said she'd really like to see the inside of it now that it has been closed for so many years. You know, a little nostalgia look back. Well, Jerry did get the keys, and we went inside to look. Ilea told me stories that when she was little, she learned to shoot in there and even learned to drive a stick shift in the building. It was really large, as you can see, so easy enough to do. And of course our little sand pit pond is right there, and that's there because that's where the sand came from for the cement. Well, these following pictures are from the 50th anniversary paper. It's all fallen apart and very big, and I couldn't get it in the copier, so this is the best I could do for now. So just pause it to read it because there's some very interesting facts in here. So, as we watch some of the demolition, I'm going to try and give you some more insight on this iconic building that is no more. This was major business in Sibley when it first opened. This was before there were any paved roads or any curbs. And when it came time to make those curbs, the Sibley Cement plant supplied the cement. Okay, so this is basically the break room and the locker room here. Restrooms are back in there. Ilea's dad worked here many moons ago. Jerry Johnson's over here working hard to break in. Hey, whoa, no.
Oh,
no. No bueno.
That was after the fact, so.
This was what?
It went out to the main door. And so if something broke or had to be made, he was the welder. This is all one room in here. Out there to the edge of it.
Oh, this was all one big room. Oh. Look at that.
They didn't have it in the beginning, but they built those silo things out back, and then they eventually had cement put into that, but they had to bring in bags of cement, and they would mix it all in here, and then
Yeah, that roof doesn't look too good up there right now. Kind of looks dangerous. It's snowing in here. Wow, look at this. Yeah. So when are they planning on demolishing this? Do you have any idea?
recycle down here. I learned how to drive a car down here. The railroad ran up there, and the cars would be here, so I learned a lot about railroad. Mother Nature out there, took a lot of stuff.
Who all worked here?
My grandpa, my dad, my brother, and my uncle. And my grandpa was a good masonry, so he built a lot of the early cisterns in the area. And then they ended up building Mom and Dad's house, which is out of cement block from here. And my mom and dad lived in the office, the original office building, and that was their first home.
So just getting home from the grocery shopping, here is Jerry Johnson, the mayor, at my door. He says, "Hey, they're demolishing the cement plant." I said, "You gotta be kidding me. I thought the paper said February." Well, with only a few minutes to prepare and not even able to top off my batteries, I got the footage that you're seeing now, and you can see what was a very busy employer as much as a contributor to the growth of Sibley. Here it's taking its last stand and going down into history. Rest in peace, Sibley Cement Plant. Well, thanks so much for watching this bit of history from Sibley, Iowa, folks. Happy holidays, and we'll see you next year.